Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel where we explore the fascinating world of natural remedies and wellness with essential oils. And so in today's video, we're going to be diving into a topic that really often gets overlooked. It's essential oils and phototoxicity. We'll be discussing what phototoxicity is, which essential oils are known to cause it, and how can you safely enjoy the benefits of essential oils without any risk. So let's get started. To really understand phototoxicity, we really need to grasp the concept of what photosensitivity is. So photosensitivity refers to an increased sensitivity of the skin to sunlight or ultraviolet UV radiation. When certain substances, including certain essential oils, come into contact with the skin and are exposed to sunlight, they can cause a reaction known as phototoxicity. Now, let's talk about which essential oils are commonly associated with phototoxicity. The main culprits are citrus oils such as bergamot, lime, lemon, and grapefruit. Now, these oils contain compounds called Furocoumarins, which make them more prone to causing phototoxic reactions. Now let's look at the symptoms of phototoxicity. Now, if you've ever experienced phototoxicity, you may have noticed some redness, inflammation, some swelling or blistering, or even burns on the areas of the skin where you were exposed to both the essential oil and sunlight. It's really important to be aware of these reactions so that you can prevent this from happening, which could cause some severe harm to your skin. Fortunately, you can still enjoy the benefits of essential oils without experiencing phototoxicity. Here are some tips to help you use them safely. Number 1, always dilute your essential oils. Always dilute phototoxic oils with a carrier oil like coconut, jojoba, or almond oil before applying to your skin. This will help reduce the concentration of the essential oil and minimize the risk of phototoxic reactions. Number 2, you can do a patch test. Now this means you're going to be performing a patch test on a small area of your skin before using the essential oil topically. Now this will involve applying a diluted mixture, and then you will apply it to your skin in an area maybe on the inside of your arm and observe the area for 24 hours to ensure that you don't have any negative reactions. Number 3, avoid sun exposure. Now, if you've applied a phototoxic essential oil to your skin, you should avoid direct sunlight or UV exposure for at least 12 to 24 hours. Now, this will allow your skin to recover and minimize the chances of a reaction. Number 4, use in the evening. It'd probably be the safest to use a phototoxic essential oil in the nighttime skincare routine, and this way you can make sure that you'll still get the benefits from the properties without worrying about sun exposure. Let's look at some of the alternatives to phototoxic essential oils. Now, if you're concerned about phototoxicity or you want to explore safe options, there are plenty of essential oils available so you don't have to take the risk of this happening. Some of the great alternatives would be lavender, chamomile, peppermint, and tea tree oil. These are very common oils. You'll find them anywhere. While some essential oils can cause phototoxicity, you want to make sure you're using them properly. You want to exercise precautions and make sure that you can enjoy their benefits safely. Always remember to dilute, maybe do a patch test if you need to, and avoid sun exposure when using phototoxic oils. And if you prefer to play it really safe, there are numerous non-phototoxic essential oils to explore. So that's all we have for our video today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on natural remedies and wellness with essentials. Thanks for watching.